So this is a project product scan in AI-based identification system. Okay, who go first? Me, right? Okay. So here is a like demo idea for the product scan system in in which user like use a mobile device to scan the product, and then we like use the camera capture web RTC API to capture the image and send it to the front end web app and HTML, and we will send the image back to the back end, which is a Flash API, which where we process the image and then return the result. And like we are secure channel using a ngrok HTTPS channel, and we use like the AI detect product of the Google Gemini API to like detect the product, and then we return the product detail back to the back end, and then we use it to find the product detail using the web app API tool, and then we'll send the information back to the mobile user device. Oh yeah. So these are team member, which is me, Sahatas, and Rady. Okay. So for the user story, like as a consumer, I want to like scan the product using my like smartphone camera so I can get the detail, because sometimes like we see a thing that we want to buy, but like we don't have a label or don't know the product name. We can use this app to scan it. And as a store manager, I want to like identify product in my inventory using AIs. So maybe like there's a product like that's mislabeled or something, so we can check it using AI to so we know for sure what the product is about. And as a production operator, I want to like categorize product and register it efficiently. So like maybe like you use this application to check the product as well. So for the project overview, like this project like enable real-time product recognition using a smartphone camera and AI. Like, user like, can scan any random product like maybe electronic foods, household item, and then like, the system will use it using the Google Gemini API to like provide detail and like brand, release date, price, and specification. Additionally, this system integrate a phone recognition and price estimation system using a data learning with like efficient the automated image using like SerpAPI, the web scraping, we use like information from like Shopee, Lazada, or any website, and the web UI choose like real-time recognition for like product pricing. For the feature, like we can like scan product using a smartphone camera. AI-based product recognition we use like the Google Gemini, and we will display like information such as brand, release date, key specification, price, and price is available. Like it works on like mobile device without any app installation because it's one on the web. It can also run on PC, but like you need a camera for this. It's use HPM web support for remote access and like integrate with TAIST IoT development kit for QR code display. So like you can scan the product and go to the online shop directly from the hardware. And so the phone recognition model, like to classify the phone model, for if you see a phone, you can use this to like see the phone model for specifically. We use like automatic image collection for training data, and we use like price tracking by scraping the online store. So the workflow works like using image collection to scrape image from online source for training. The data processing to organize the image and split them into training and validation set. Next is the model training using the efficient net B0 for phone classification. Prediction and priority wall, we like identify phone model for like, image for fetch file data, and like web UI display present recognition result and provides information for the user. So this here is a web UI, like you can see in my camera as well. Like this is what it looks like, but this is here is the you will see a logo. This is the back screen is the camera. You have to allow the camera for it to open the camera, and this here is the scan where you click scan and it will start scanning and this, so like for mention for him, like I start scanning like this, and like when we start scanning, like it will display a result, and this is a search bar which we can like enter the result in the search bar to pop up our web page that we can like find more product without having to switch tab or change tab directly. So this here is like, over here is the example output of a scan result, which like product name, brand detail, release date, usage, price, and like estimate price. It also include a link to the product page, which can also be go to by via QR code or clicking on the link. And like this is the example of a page where when click on the link or scan QR code, we go to page like this. And here is a demonstration video. As you can see, like we scan the product and it will like return the information, and we can click on the link and it will direct us to the page to buy it directly. Yeah, like link to Shopee. Yeah, this is we scan the phone, like we train to like scan detect phone, so like it will detect phone better, like, but it also detect other thing as well. See, detect phone. Yeah, it's like the demonstration of. uh, Okay, as you can see, like yeah, it detect an HP computer. Okay, okay, okay. So like this is it for. Okay, okay. So okay. Okay, let's go next.
Let's talk. So, let you talk. Can you press on the next?
You guys presentation next, no? I thought I did.
Sahatus.
Okay.
So
For the machine learning model, we are using the data collection and preparation. We are using image of the photo while collecting by using the SerpAPI. And also the data is processing by the splitting is into the training around the 70% and validation around the 30% set. And augmentation technique include the rotation and flipping, zooming, and shifting to enhancing model robustness. From the model architecture based on the efficient net B0, right? And a custom layer we divide for the 4 things. The first one, a global average pooling to these dense and drop out, and the last one are the output layer, right? For the training strategy, we try to optimize Adam with the learning rate of the 0.0001 loss function. We do the categorize the crosses topology and the callback. We divide in 3 things: the model checkpoint and early stopping, and the last one are the reduce LRO in place AU. For the database, we try to do like this: the scan product into the checklist in the SQL database with the following this table, right? Divide by ID, product name, brand details, release date, using price, and scan time, right? And also the tech stack we divide into the 8 component, right? The front end and the web UI, our technique that we use the HTML and web RTC API. The back end API server, we using the Flag Python, right? And the AI model, we use the for the product recognition, we API with the Google Gemini. And the AI model for the phone recognition, as we told, use technique efficient net B0. For the camera access, we use the web RTC API for the back camera, right? And the next secure connection, we use the enclave for the product data retrieve. We using web scraping for the external API. The last one, hardware integration, we using Stack IoT Dev Kit like this, right? Okay, for the
So for the can let me present.
okay.
Okay.
Okay, for the setup, our project is we have submit about the problem like for the scanner going to the online, it's not tracking process result correctly yet, so we just working on the scan and go to the web, and also here is our setup and install the library and import of it have, and also the below. After that, we have to use in the Android to access with the local machine that we use hosting. So if we use Android like this, we can access with our phone and mobile phone to using our web mobile. So for the future enhancement, we like to improve AI recognition accuracy and enhance the database product. Also, if we have, we can use API or Shopee or Lazada, it will get more the data of price comparing currently. So for the price right now, we use it just like we asking back to the Gemini to combine the price to estimate the price, how much for the product, and we have the link like that, and to enhance the web like this and implement more. Also, the tracking the user that joining the our link who have joining. So that's all for our project. Thank you, Rasa.